to the future. Take a deep breath, step on through and start a new chapter.
I stretch a warm morning to the esteemed principal, Reverend Father Cyprian, high-minded teachers and dear students. For everything there is a season and time. Yes, it's time to bid farewell to our 10th standard students, the first batch of Sentence Club School, Rana sir. चलो तुम विदा करें, खुद से हम जुदा करें. तकदीर तुम्हें दे बुलंदी, तकदीर तुम्हें दे बुलंदी. खुदा से ये दुआ करें.
When you kneel to God, He stands up for you. And when He stands up for you, no one can stand against you. We wish you the best for your next venture through this dance.
Tadare dani dim, tadare dani dim, tanadere na dim. Tadare dani dim, tadare dani dim, tanadere na. Odani dir dir tani, tanadere na. Odani dir dir tani, tanadere na. Dim, tadare dani dim, tadare dani dim. Dani dim, tadare dani dim, tadare dani dim, tadare dani dim, tanadere na. Odani dir dir tani, tanadere na. Odani dir dir tani, tanadere na. Derdinna, odani dirda. Dim, tadare dani dim, tadare dani dim, tanadere na.
The roots of all goodness lie in the soil of appreciation. So, our students are here filled with gratitude.
Hello friends, myself Yashwardhan and I am from class 10. Few days back, I was asked by our father to speak something on our farewell. And what struck first in my mind was the first day when I came to the school. I was really nervous. Teachers throughout these 6 years were very supportive. Like, they have helped me to discover my true potential. Teachers have taught me more than what it is taught in the book. My classmates have transformed me into a better individual. My juniors helped me to become a more responsive person. So all I want to say is thank you.
Hi everyone, myself Piyush from class 10. Furthermore, I have a lot of memories to the place which shall remain with me in my last breath. Apart from the subjective knowledge, my school has helped me to develop my skills and enhance my character. In last, I would like to say, try to explore goodness and positivity in every goodbye. Thank you and goodbye.
Myself
Divyanshi, I wanted to express a few words on my school life. An important chapter of our life is coming to an end and a whole new chapter is awaiting us. How can I forget to acknowledge my teachers? Dear teachers, what we are today is just because of you. The knowledge that you imparted to us is one of the most valuable things in our lives. Respected teachers, you occupy a very high status in lives of every student. So, thank you for everything you have done for us.
Good morning everyone, myself Nikita and I am from class 10th of St. Anselm School, Ranasar. Today I want to share my experience and memories in this school. A school is a place where we learn to read and write and a place where we learn disciplines and manners. The teachers are always supportive and I want to thank all my teachers and my friends for always supporting me. Thank you.
Some people come into our lives and quickly go. Others stay a while, make footprints on our hearts and we are never ever the same. अभी तो असली मंजिल पाना बाकी है, अभी तो इरादों का इम्तिहान बाकी है, अभी तो तोली है मुट्ठी भर जमीन, अभी तोलना आसमान भी बाकी है. Stay strong. Do not let any obstacle bring you down. Do not let anyone tell you that you are wrong. With this in mind, stay tuned to the next performance.
मेरी राहें तेरे तक है, तुझ पे ही तो मेरा हक है. इश्क मेरा तू बेशक है, तुझ पे ही तो मेरा हक है. साथ छोड़ूंगी न तेरे पीछे आऊंगी, छीन लूंगी या खुदा से मांग लाऊंगी. तेरे नाल तो कदीरा लिखवाऊंगी, मैं तेरी बन जाऊंगी, मैं तेरी बन जाऊंगी. सो तेरी मैं कसम यही खाऊंगी, कितने वादे अनुमरा निभाऊंगी. तुझे हर बारी अपना बनाऊंगी, मैं तेरी बन जाऊंगी.
विदाई का ये दिन है, माहौल थोड़ा गमगीन है, लेकिन दुआ है रब से आप यूं ही हंसते रहें, महकते रहे, सबके दिलों में बसते रहें.
Happens for a reason. That reason causes change. Sometimes it hurts, sometimes it's hard, but in the end it's all for the best. So our teachers and students are here to wish you the best.
First of all the best. It is very hard to say in our life hello for the first time and goodbye for the last time. Being your teacher, I had a wonderful experience for you. I am honored to say we are proud of your achievement. Remember one thing in your life, never stop learning. Whenever you need our help, you all are welcome. Be positive and stay happy.
And a warm welcome to you on this day. It's a nostalgic feeling as I remember my student life in school and my school farewell party. I am sure we all have a mixed feelings on this day, which is a blend of joy and sadness. On one hand, you feel very enthusiastic as you are stepping into a completely new different world where you will find relatively more freedom than in a school. While on the other hand, you feel sad because you have to depart from your school and classmates. My dear students, The time has come for you to bid farewell from this esteemed institution which supported you, cared for you, protected you and guided you all these years. The institution has given you best academics, provided you with the necessary tools to improve your skills and elevated ethics and values in you, besides leading you in the life of spirituality. Hope you will use your life skills efficiently and effectively on stepping into a new competitive world which is full of opportunities. You are the intellectual potential and you are capable of achieving your life ambitions by exercising willpower and efforts. Thank you and wish you all the best.
Good morning, student. As a teacher, I have watched you learn and grow. I loved and cared you. Sometimes loaded you with hard tasks. Now can see a beautiful person grown in you. This great institute, St. Anselm School, has been your childhood and adulthood of your life stage to shape you all for your bright future, to make a good human being for the country. As you move into a new venture, may luck and success always be with you. All the best.
Pleasant morning to all. Dear students, you completed this part of journey with great achievements and beautiful memories. Being tough does not mean that we hate you, but to prepare you for a greater challenge ahead and nurture you to build a strong foundations for your next level. I wish you best of luck for your days ahead. Thank you.
On to all, my dear students. Now what feeling is going through your minds, I know very well, because it is an occasion of happy and sad. You are happy because you are going to the high level, the school. You had been spending so much time here, and it is a very sad moment to say to you goodbye. And you know very well that during the pandemic corona, our school had been continuing our classes without stopping because we are in the guidance of a powerful principal, Father Cyprian Rodriguez. Once again, thanks and the best wishes for you for a bright and pleasant future. Thank you.
Good morning, dear students. As a teacher, I have loved and cared you. Sometimes I have scolded you, but everything is for your good. I wish you all a very happy future. All the best.
A pleasant morning to all my dear students. As a teacher, I am impressed and happy for all the special times that I spent with you. And all your arguments and words will always be cherished in my heart. As I bid you farewell, I wish you best of luck in your days ahead. Set your goals high, always dream big. Be humble and let your actions speak for you. All the very best and may God bless you.
Life is a journey, it's up to you to decide where to go, up to a mountain or down a hill. People will go where they will, filled with memories, positiveness and passion.
So students are here to express their love to their rocking person.
ਇੱਕੋ ਹੀਲ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੈਂ ਕੱਟਿਆ ਇੱਕ ਸਾਲ ਵੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਤਾਂ ਲੈ ਜਿਆ ਕਰ ਤੂੰ ਸ਼ਾਪਿੰਗ ਮਾਲ ਵੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਦੀਆਂ ਸਭ ਪਾਰਲਰ ਸਜਦੀਆਂ ਰਹਿੰਦੀਆਂ ਹਾਈ ਹਾਈਲਾਈਟ ਕਰਾ ਦੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਕਾਲੇ ਵਾਲ ਵੇ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਸਜਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਲਈ ਸਾਰੇ ਸੂਟ ਪੁਰਾਣਿਆ ਹਾਏ ਪੁਰਾਣਿਆ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲਹਿੰਗਾ ਲੈ ਦੇ ਮਹਿੰਗਾ ਜਾ ਮਰ ਜਾਣਿਆ ਇੰਨੇ ਪੈਸੇ ਦੱਸ ਤੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਣਿਆ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲਹਿੰਗਾ ਲੈ ਦੇ
It's like a book. Some chapters are sad, some are happy, and some are very exciting. But if you never turn the page, you will never know what's the next chapter holds. Do not look back, just look forward and go ahead to see the world. Shine, glorify, and reach great heights. Our well wishes will always with you. Good luck.
Thank you, friends, for coming into our life, giving us joy, happiness, enthusiasm, energy, inspiration, and motivation. Thank you for loving us and receiving our love in return, and for the blissful memory.
Dear friends, how lucky we are to have someone that makes saying goodbye so hard. Dear friends, we may be separated by time and distance, but nothing will diminish the important role that you have played in St. Anselm's family. We wish you happy adventures, fantastic friends, amazing experience, and the journey of new life. All the best.
Dear friends, you have been part of this great institute. We were there to celebrate with you, to encourage you, to love you, to hold you. We slowly stepped into gentle chapter of letting go. And I just want to say that we miss you and wish you the best for your next. Thank you.
The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, says Leo, a Chinese philosopher. As you are ready to start a new brand journey of your life, who better to guide you than our dear principal? A great principal like you is hard to find, difficult to part, and impossible to forget. We request you, Reverend Father Principal, to address the students.
Dear parents, teachers, and my dear students, as we bid farewell to our first outgoing batch, let me first of all wish them all the best. I pray that they may have a bright future and all their wishes and dreams may come true. Dear outgoing batch, you have been in this institution for many years and you are the first batch of this institution. Therefore, you will be specially remembered by all of us. As you step out of this institution, I just want to say that your presence will be missed by all of us. Let me also request my outgoing students. Dear students, please become an ambassador of this great institution. The morals and values that you have learned from this institution through the teachers should reflect in your life. Share love and kindness to the people around you. True education is not just the knowledge that you have gained from the books. Rather, it is your personality and character that you have developed from this institution. As you march towards your goals and dreams, many difficulties bound to come on your way. Dear students, never be disappointed. The difficulties and hardship that you face, they are part of your life and they will make you stronger. Face them, work hard, and you will achieve your goal. Before I conclude, let me share a beautiful quotation from the author Robin Sharma, who says, "Dream big, start small, and act now." This should be motto of your life, and you can achieve anything in your life. So once again, I wish you all the best. We will remember you, and you are always welcome to come and visit us anytime. God bless you all.
With deep reverence and heavy heart, today we bid farewell to our seniors student's last performance.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.